Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time in Little Alchemy. Creating time is a crucial step for unlocking many advanced items in the game. We will start by gathering the basic components, then combine them systematically. This guide will walk you through each necessary combination, ensuring you can successfully add time to your growing collection of elements. Get ready to expand your crafting possibilities. To begin our journey, let's craft sand. First, you'll need stone, which is easily made by combining two earth elements. Once you have stone, simply drag and drop air onto it. This combination of air and stone will yield sand, a vital ingredient for our ultimate goal. Remember, earth and air are among your initial elements, making this step quite straightforward. With sand now in your inventory, the next step is to create glass. This is achieved by combining fire with your newly acquired sand. Fire is one of the 4 initial elements you start with, so it's readily accessible. Simply drag fire onto sand, and you will successfully craft glass. This transparent material brings us one step closer to our final objective. Now for the final combination. With both glass and sand at hand, simply drag one onto the other. Combining glass and sand will successfully create time. This powerful element opens up a vast array of new crafting possibilities, allowing you to discover many more intricate items in Little Alchemy. Congratulations on adding time to your elemental repertoire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.